What to eat when the grid goes down, top survival foods. When disaster strikes and electricity disappears, knowing what to eat when the grid goes down can make the difference between discomfort and survival. Choosing foods that last, provide nutrition, and require minimal preparation is crucial. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the top survival foods to keep on hand. 1. Canned and preserved proteins. Canned meats, tuna, sardines, and chicken are long-lasting protein sources. Freeze-dried meats are ideal for longer-term storage. 2. Dried beans and lentils. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in protein and fiber. They can be cooked in bulk for soups, stews, or meals requiring minimal water. 3. Whole grains, rice, oats, quinoa, and barley are stable and nutritious staples. Store them in airtight containers to protect against moisture and pests. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds provide essential fats and protein. They are perfect for quick energy and snacking. 5. Dehydrated fruits and vegetables. Dried fruits like apples or apricots and vegetables like carrots or peas supply vitamins and fiber when fresh produce is unavailable. 6. Shelf-stable dairy. Powdered milk or plant-based milks offer protein and calcium. They can be used directly or rehydrated for recipes. 7. Essential condiments and supplements. Salt, honey, spices, and multivitamins help with flavor, preservation, and nutrition during extended outages. Being prepared with these foods ensures you stay nourished and resilient during emergencies. Knowing what to eat when the grid goes down turns uncertainty into readiness, helping you face power outages with confidence. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? With these lost superfoods in your pantry, you'll be able to keep your family well fed during the darkest of times. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.